Sarap. Salita ka, galing.
Another rainy afternoon. I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted
OMG!
Dami kong nakikita, guys.
on the couch. Cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it.
Wala daw. Kasi ano daw pinakabata sa matanda.
Supposed to be. Wish you stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late. I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about it.
This kind of scary, though.
Won't forget a
Sabi
single
nilang bakit
thing. From the night to Sunday morning.
I'm going in the mountain.
Smile at me.
Bangin naman to.
Iyan, alam kong...
Picturean mo daw siya, ginana. Anong view natin dito?
Ay, ito lang.
Fog. Ta-na-na-na.
Ako, hindi nga ako titingin dyan sa side na yun. Ara. OMG!
O ate.
Tapos may kayamanan pa tayong madatat. Ano?
Tarararan. Grabe naman kasi ang pag isang tapak mo lang ng mali, tigpay ka talaga. Yay! Ay, ang ganda nga ng nakikita. Ang ganda.
Wish you stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd said goodbye too soon.
Tasty yogurt. Siyempre maasim yogurt nga eh.
Sabi ni Kuya, ano kang ginagawa ng lima doon?
Kulang na. Ay, dat pala dinala natin yung ano.
Alin?
Piling ko pag may ano siya masarap.
Dinala yung ano? Sarap siya.
Yung ano yun to?
Biscuit.
Hindi.
Granola.
Hindi na nun dito.
Ang sarap niya.
Sarap.
It's yummy.
Binibidyo mo ba?
Siyempre yun nga yung ano eh. Hello po.
Good morning. Maupo po kayo.
Po and welcome to Sagar Pottery. Ako si Sigrid, isang manggagawa dito. This workshop was set up in 2000 by Archie Stapleton. He is a son of a missionary who grew up here in the 1960s. He saw the potential of the local clay and the local soil for pottery. That's why he set this up as one of the first I have to center. In order to center, you need the speed of the wheel and the pressure from the hands. That's all I can do right now. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, do anything that will enhance the beauty. Then we dry it for 1 month, air dry lamp. Press down, down. Now widen it, pull it apart, widen slowly, slowly. Release. Sweat your hands. Marunong din magbukay. Straight and clip your thumb. Gently and slowly. In Tagalog, hipuin mo packet para humaba. Tingnan nga natin kung marunong magpahaba. Slide left, slide, 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 slide. Release. Huwag mo. One last stroke. Once again, pag dito ka na sa top, don't push. Left. Sige. Gently lang, hold it there. Push, gently. Push lang, gently there. That part, push. 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 Ayan. Ayan. And then slide up. Okay, hold it there. Hold sa tip. Tips. Very good.
Marunong ka na magpaikot.
Natapos na siya.
Opo. Yun na ang kaya ng clay.
Ano? Sarap?
Sarap niya, ma'am.
Tumitig na lang siya. Okay. Perfect!
Diba? At akala ko isang room lang.
Buti na lang pala, hindi na tayo nag-pay ng ano, no? Extra.
Sabi ko, possible na nasa isang room lang tayo kasi marami tayo.
May CR yan?
Oo, kasi
May sarili tayong CR.
May terrace pa. Okay.
Ang perfect nun.
Perfect ng room natin.
Pwede ako mag-TikTok sa labas.
Let's check the
Date natin kasi 5 p.m. naman yung tapos ng mga
Dali lang, pagpahingay mo muna ako siya.
Ay, ang ganda na.
Alam ko yung... Tayo magkaharap ng ganito, stress na.
Tracking. Ang best niya. Helping the
Elderly.
sipain pa na ba?
Hindi nyo masabi, kaya ako nagtuloy. Nauudal-udal pa eh.
Ayoko sabihin kasi baka sabihin kasi.
One day, like a tidal wave, a hurricane, like a thunderstorm, the pouring rain, it comes rolling in. And right away, oh, it hits you like a ton of lead. Oh yeah, it'll mess with your head. You won't know where to begin. You can't keep up.
Yan, dilim na.
Medyo tira na.
Naghahanap po kami ng sakit ng
Ngiti
katawan.
bago ang sakuna.
You lost your aim, can't clear your mind. Like a fire burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. It pulls you in, it takes over, you just can't let go of the worst, best thing that's ever happened to you. know it can't.
Oh. Dito ka na. Ayan na.
Be true. Maybe for someone else, but not for you. Still you pray that it'll stay and hit you harder, don't go away. Hit you deeper, running through your veins for one more day. You can't keep up, you fall behind. You lost your aim, can clear your mind. Like a fire burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. Pulls you in, it takes over. You just can't let go of the worst, best thing that's ever happened to you.
Past life talaga ni Glenda ano yun.
Ulo mo. Ulo, ulo. Ulo.
Labas na kami ng cave. And so far, walang galos. Buhay pa, walang pilay. And still pretty. Say hi.
Hi.
You can't. And keep up, you fall behind. You lost your aim, can clear your mind. Like a fire burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. Like a fire burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. It pulls you in, it takes over. You just can't let go of the worst, best thing that's ever happened to you. Oh, the worst, best thing that's ever happened.
Sundown and salty cheeks. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining
daw. Noodles lang nung kinain.
Ano yung cookies and cream?
Yan.
Oh, yung bango.
Blueberry yung isa, ube yung isa.
Greek yogurt ba to?
Blue.
Uy, dapat binili niyo yung ube. Ano ko may ube?
Bebuksan mo.
Strawberry tsaka blueberry, hindi lang puti.
Saka,
Let's taste it.
Picture niyo na. Video picture.
Hey.
Video picture. Landscape.
Ayan, naka-landscape yan. Okay. Taste test. Taste test.
Taste test.
kasi password ko. Okay, masarap.
Ano yan?
Hindi ako manginginig dito.
Sarap.
Mm-hmm.
Masang yogurt?
Password ko. Ayun ko wifi.
Masarap din to. Masarap tong cookies and cream. Nadali nila yung
Ito, sarap din ito. Hindi siya ganun katamis.
Ano yan, yung
Blueberry.
Cookies
Basta
and
na ko
cream,
wifi,
no? For the win.
Pas ka na wifi.
Panalo. Out of
Hindi, cookies and
3
cream.
yogurts na inano natin, ano yung pinakamasarap?
Ito.
Kasi may cream to.
Ano?
Extra flavor.
Yung una, ano siya, thick siya. Pero hindi siya ganun kasarap. Yung pangalawa, masarap din.
May ano yun
Yung
eh.
una,
may
malapit siya
strawberry
dun sa
din.
mga nabibili sa grocery
Grocery
stores.
store.
May konting asin.
Sarap.
Masarap ito.
Perfect.
Masarap to.